Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. At least one National Sporting Association is raising questions about the massive increase in administrative costs of the Jamaica Olympic Association. Keon Rayner has that story.
According to the administrative expenses shown in the Jamaica Olympic Association's financial statements for the year ending December 31, 2018, a copy of which has been obtained by TVJ Sports, salaries and wages jumped by more than 300% over the previous year. The document, under the signature of JOA President Christopher Samuda and Treasurer Nicole Case, showed that salaries skyrocketed from $9.7 million in 2017 up to $34.7 million in 2018. The JOA's financial statements also indicate that administrative expenses have been almost doubled, moving from just over $32 million to $60 million for the same period. When contacted by telephone Thursday afternoon, JOA President Samuda did not comment on what accounted for the jump in salaries and wages. He, however, promised to give us an interview on the issues raised. Contacted by TVJ Sports for a comment on the development, President of the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association J3A's Dr. Warren Blake noted that the increase in the budget item salary at the JOA came as a surprise to him.
Well, in an era where all the federations are really trying to cut costs and minimize expenditure, this would really be a concern.
2 weeks ago, TVJ Sports reported that a rift was developing between the JOA and the J3As after the latter was written to by lawyers representing a travel agent requesting approximately $2 million owed for tickets to the Pan American Games in Lima, Peru last year. Other J3As insiders say the organization will not be making any such payment to the travel agent, given that those costs are always paid by the JOA. Given that issue, and reports that the JOA reduced the per diem for athletes to those games, we sought a response from Dr. Blake.
Well, I think it's something that the JOA would have to answer. I wouldn't make any more further comment than that.
In the meantime, the JOA assets as at December 31, 2018 stood at $147.8 million, down from $178.1 million in 2017. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.